ASUS VP28UQG 28 monitor 4K UHD 3840x2160 1ms VP Hdmi adaptive sync FreeSync Eye Care monitor. 28 inches 4K UHD 3840x2160 with 1 millisecond response time and adaptive sync AMD Free Sync for immersive, crisp visuals featuring DisplayPort and dual Hdmi connectivity. Viewing angle, CRG 10, 170 degrees, H, 160 degrees, V. ASUS Eye Care technology lowers blue light and eliminates flickering to reduce eye strain and ailments. Display colors is 1073.7 10-bit and maximum contrast ratio is 1001. It can allow an adaptive sync FreeSync supported graphics source to dynamically adjust display refresh rate based on typical content frame rates for power efficient, virtually stutter-free and low latency display update. 5-way OSD joystick delivers intuitive monitor controls so you can access features such as ASUS Game Plus on the fly. Digital signal frequency for DisplayPort is 120 to 120 kHz horizontal, 40 to 60 Hz vertical. My signal frequency is 24 to 99 kHz horizontal, 40 to 60 Hz vertical. Compliance and standards EC logo, Energy Star, BSMI, CB, CCC, C, Cell Level 1, FCC, PSB, C, ROSE, TCO 7.0, ALCUL, VCCI, WIA, WHQL, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, RCM, TUV flicker-free TUV low blue light. Exclusive Game Plus and Game Visual settings enhance color performance and control. ASUS Rapid Replacement 3 years warranty service with free cross-shipping. Tilt -5 degree plus 20 degree. B R I G H T N B S S Max 300 candelas. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.